Kajing rakhi ka World Environment Day hapo ka jala Meghalaya lingba ka office umentri rangba ka sarkar jala ukonrat ki sangma kala long ha kan ritri ujilliu arja arpulai ha ka ba umentri rangba ulalet bani shibenta ki babon ki program ki bakantop ya kajing tung ding bat kajing let bret sambai ding hasik pak kajing play ya ka Nature Interpretation Center ha ka pannong light park balapun kot ya ka program ha State Convention Center ha kajing don lang ki officer rangba nadu Chief Secretary ka jala uba DP wa lang bat kiwe Hakategas ngi haba ajing kran ukonrat ki sangma ulakran halor ke plastik ke baka sarkar kala dap ban khang ya ke jing panan kam ya ka hapo ke jela bat kran dak wating ru ya ki nong terwa plastik dak ka baula ong kadang long ke basam sitam sibon hakabai dei ba ke jing pentrai kam ya ke jing perking bat ban rap ba ke jing temu ban pen sange ke jing panan kam ya ki plastik kam dei ke basuk hendrai dei ban don dak ki wei pat ki lat ki lenti na ka benta ki pat ba pakin la ban penan kam
I pledge to make all possible changes in my daily life to protect the environment. I also commit to continuously motivate my family, friends and others about the importance of environmentally friendly habits. To be part of this very, very important program where we will be doing a plantation program in a very, very innovative manner. As you can see, we have these new seed balls that we have, which actually are very easy to plant. And we are experimenting and trying to see how we could have different ways in which trees could be planted. And this is a very easy way where you just simply have to throw it and the plant will grow. So therefore, we thought that the best way to make this happen is to have our children, our students, the future generation of our state and our country, to be part of this very, very important occasion. While I say that, we all realize the importance of the environment. I'm here standing today and I don't feel I'm in Shillong. The weather is so different and the heat, as you can make out, is something that you must have never experienced before in your life. The climate change impact is happening. Things are changing.
Hi, Jimmy.